It says 9-6 up in the corner.
Got it. The other one is 9, 7. Here you go.
We'll do this one first, and this one's going to be second. Everyone needs a clock, too. So we can practice on our own. Yep, you get your very own clock.
But these are small.
I know they're small.
Our ice creams. Is it this one? It's 6 o'clock.
Okay, think to yourself. Think to yourself. What does it mean when I say the hour hand? Which one is the hour hand? Give me sparkles when you know. Think really hard. Which arrow is the hour? Jonathan. Can you point to me? Can you point on my big clock? Which one's our hour hand? What color is it? Red. He's exactly right. This is the hour hand. Which one is my minute hand? Avery. The blue hand. So if I say that I want my hour hand to point straight up at the 12, pointing straight at the 12, what time is it? 12 o'clock. All right, Elijah, this is the next one for you. If I have 12 o'clock, if my hour hand is pointing straight at the 4, what time is it?
12:40. I know.
Think really hard.
4 o'clock.
This one's for Elijah. What time is it? It's pointing straight at the 4. My hour hand is 4 o'clock. Very good. Okay, so the very first question. The hour hand points. Oh, this is the wrong worksheet. I'm on the wrong one. Look at the hour hand. I need you to one-to-one match with me. Point at the word look. Point at the word look so I know where you're at. Look at the hour hand. The hour hand points to the 8. It is 8 o'clock. So the hour hand is pointing directly at the 8. So that means it's 8 o'clock. You need to trace over 8 o'clock. Oh, Keaton, wrong worksheet. That's why you're lost. It's okay. Very good.
Trace over this.
Yes, trace over the dotted lines. Or the dotted numbers. Okay. Alright, where are my directions on this page? Where could you find the directions? The black? Or the numbers? We're looking at the bolded letters. The bolded words that you see. So one-to-one match with me. Look at where the hour hand points. Are you with me? Write the time. So number 1 says the hour hand points to the... Keaton, where is my hour hand pointing? To the 2. So what time is it?
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock. So write the hour hand points to the 2. Write a 2.
Did we just do a 2 by itself?
Yes, for right now. The hour hand points to the 2.
2, 0.
Point to where you think we are next. It is 2 o'clock. So write 2 o'clock. Right here. Because Avery said it was 2 o'clock.
No, it was him.
Oh, that's right. Keaton, you were the one who told me. Trina, have you written 2 o'clock?
2?
It is 2 o'clock. We're right here.
I did 2 o'clock.
Remember our 2 dots and then 0, 0.
2 dots and then 0, 0.
2 o'clock. All right. right, number 2. Where does the hour point now on our next clock? Give me sparkles when you know. That way you don't shout out the answer. Brianna, where's my hour hand pointing? At the 11. Thumbs up if you think that it's 11. Everyone, I should see everyone's thumbs up. Very good. You're right, Brianna, 11. So write 11. The hour hand points to the 11.
Right here?
Yes.
All right there.
You'll be writing there in a second.
I already did that.
Oh, you're way ahead.
Yeah.
The 11. So what time is it? If the hour hand points directly at the 11, what time is it? 11 o'clock. Avery, you're right. So write 11 o'clock. You're getting it. Good job. The next 3 problems I want you to do on your own.
What do we have to do? 9 o'clock.
And give me a thumbs up when you're done. The next 3 problems are on your own. Thumbs up when you're ready. Alright, let me see.
Oh.
Avery, you're all done. I'll hang on to it if you're all finished. Are you all finished?
I know.
Elijah, you were next. Let me see. Very good. Now, you're getting it. Good job.
Ooh, yes.
Good job. Okay, the next worksheet.
You got too loud. You're supposed to have one name on there.
Yep, the next worksheet is your name on it. Don't work ahead, Elijah. Stay with me.
No. Write your name.
Mhm.
Oh, no.
Okay, for this next exercise, I want you to show me a time that is half past a time. So it could be 2:30, half past 2. On your little clocks, I want you to practice, and I want you to be able to tell me what time
Can we
is
do
on
it
your
by
little clock.
yourself without practicing with a little? You can do any time you want.
Yes, any time that you want, but I want you to be able to hold up your clock and tell me what time it is.
Half past 2. Half here has to be pointing at it. Half past 2. It's supposed to be pointing.
Oh, what does it look like if it's half past? If it's
Oh,
half past, our minute hand has gone 30 minutes. So where's my minute hand pointing?
6.
To the 6. So if it's half past, our minute hand's pointing at the 6. It has gone 30 minutes. You want to count with me now? Starting at the 12, we go.
1 o'clock.
I need all eyes up here. Brianna up here. Jonathan up here. We go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. You know how we say? You know how we say that it's 4:30? You know how we say that it's 4:30? It's because our minute hand has went 30 minutes around our clock. 30 minutes. So that's why we say it's 4:30.
How do you spell 4?
Oh, we're not there yet. So on your own, on your little clock, grab your little clock.
I got it first.
Show me a time. Or I want you to show me. I want you to show me 4:30.
So the long clock is right here. So the long
If it's
clock
4:30,
4 and then the 6.
4 o'clock. Oh, give it to yourself.
Right there.
That's 4 o'clock. I want you to say
I know it's
4:30.
been a while. Thanks.
4:30. So if my minute hand's on 30 minutes, where should my minute hand be pointing?
My big one is supposed to be pointing at or my small
Oh,
one.
it's so good.
Very close. Very close. All right, Elijah, show me, everyone show me your clocks. Show me your clocks. Okay, Elijah, show everyone your clock. This says 4:30. 4:30. Very good. Very good. Oh, where is your hour hand supposed to be pointing? Halfway between them. Very good. All right, wonderful. Okay, moving on to our worksheet. One-to-one match. The very first word you should be pointing at the hour hand points halfway between the 9 and the 10. So look at where the hour hand is pointing on our clock. It is 9:30. 9:30. Brianna.
So I am past 9.
Right? It is 9:30. I knew it right.
I already did it.
You're really quiet.
It's not cold outside.
Okay. Look at our bold words. Our bold words. Those are our directions. Look at where the hour hand points. Write the time. Write the time. So where is our hour hand pointing between? 6:30. Avery, you're right. So the hour hand points between which two numbers? Give me sparkles if you know the answer.
It's on the line.
Keaton, where is our hour hand pointing halfway between?
The 5 and the 6.
Keaton says the 5 and the 6. Does anybody else think differently?
The 5 and the 7.
Think really hard. Avery and Brianna, I need you right here. Where's our hour hand pointing between what two numbers?
2.
Avery. The 6 and the 7. Give me thumbs up if you think it's 5 and the 6. Give me thumbs up if you think it's the 6 and the 7. I have most thumbs up between the 6 and the 7. So write 6 and the 7.
6.
6 and the 7. 6 and the 7.
I was about to go to 7 still.
So that means that it is 6:30. 6:30. Very good. Number 2, I want you to try on your own.
I did this by myself.
I want you to try on your own.
Look what I did.
Number 2, I want you to try on your own and give me a thumbs up when you're ready.
It's
I'll
past
check.
4 and 5.
Write it down. Try on your own. Number 2. It is 6:30. Yep. Finish it out.
Like this. But what are we supposed to do with this? With this one?
I can check it and then you can do 3, 4, and 5 if you're ready.
4 and 5.
Very good.
And I do 3,
Right.
4, and 5.
Oh, do number 2.
But what are we supposed to do
The hour hand
here?
points halfway between them.
It's
Tell me what time it is. Oh, we can do number 3 together since we haven't done that yet.
You guys are doing it 5 that
4
way.
and 5.
That's a nice correct 5. 5 is like this smells like syrup.
Good.
Yeah, so I can use I can put down the here. Smells bad.
All right, number 3. Number 3, what two numbers is our hour hand halfway between? What two numbers?
2 is
2 and 3, so it is 2. What's another way to say half past? Avery, I need you right here.
Half
Go get a new one.
o'clock.
If it's half past 2 o'clock, what's another way to say half past?
2 o'clock and 2 o'clock.
It's 2
O'clock.
2:30. 2:30.
Like this. So we're supposed to put
Alright, 2 and your 2 dots, and then 30.
and then there's 3 and then there's 0.
You can write half past 2. Good job, Elijah.
It's half past 2.
Yeah? What's the next one?
Half past 2.
Yes. Very good. 11:30. Oh, number 5. Rethink that one.
Oh wait, I know it. Half past none of them.
Oh, you got number 4 right. What's number 5?
Is it this
Oh,
one?
think about that again.
I don't know what's
Has our hour hand passed the 6 yet? Very good.
This is what's wrong.
Half past 11.
Half past 11.
Very good.
I don't know what to do.
All right, give me sparkles when you're done. Or shine your halos, whichever one you feel like doing.
Like this.
You like those sparkles? Shining your halos looks like this.
I'm just gonna use sparkles. Can you help me with this one?
Very good. Hello, my name is Lacie Shoemaker, and this is my reflection on my teaching strategies lesson. In this lesson, I am reteaching a small group of students how to tell time to the hour and to the half hour. At the beginning, I was just going to revolve my lesson around teaching time to the hour, but I had to fit my lesson to accommodate two lessons rather than just one. So my lesson plan is actually built on just one lesson in my unit, just in case there was some confusion in my lesson. But my lesson plan is also based off of the lesson that I actually taught instead of just my reteach lesson. But I wanted to video my teaching strategies in my reteach lesson. Some of the strengths that were in my lesson were that I really tried to use the Give Me Sparkles, which is the Giving Me Sparkles up here, which is an attention grabber. I believe that I had them shine their halos, which is just shining their halos like this because they're little angels. And some of the weaknesses that were in my lesson, because it was such a small group, I didn't want to interrupt the learning of all the other students that were progressing in the lesson, so I had to pull them outside into the hallway. Little did I know that there was going to be so much traffic during this time, so in my video you'll see that there was some noise and other things going on in the hallway, which was probably distracting to my students, but they actually stayed pretty focused. What else was there? Some other weaknesses that I might have shown were keeping the attention of all my students. They seemed pretty into the lesson and they were focused for the most part, but I had some trouble with a couple of my students wanting to skip ahead in the lesson, and I think I could have used a couple of different strategies to keep them focused and in tune with what I was teaching rather than doing their own work or just not doing their work at all. I probably could have pulled sticks or just randomly chosen students that were ready, because I'm pretty sure that in my lesson I asked them, if you are ready, give me sparkles, or if you are finished with one of the questions, give me sparkles, and you'll see a couple of the students give me sparkles above their heads like this. And
So I would call on them to answer that particular question. And I tried to make sure that I wasn't focusing on just a couple of students at a time. I was trying to call on every one of my students, so I figured that was one of my strengths in the lesson as well. Other than that, I think that the lesson went pretty well, and I think they really seemed to grasp the concept of telling time after that point, and were able to successfully take the test and passed with flying colors. So thank you.